Hey, friends, Signofied LLC, your go-to career coach, is at it again. Today we're diving into a topic that could literally bring the job to you: how to attract recruiters using LinkedIn content. Now, before you click away thinking, content creation isn't for me, hear me out. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need a clear message, a smart strategy, and a little consistency. That's what we're talking about today. Seriously, imagine this: recruiters reaching out to because they're impressed by what they see on your profile. Ready to learn how to get recruiters sliding into your DMs? Let's go. Here's the deal. Recruiters practically live on LinkedIn. They're constantly searching for talented people like you. But here's the catch. If your profile is a ghost town, they won't find you. Think about it. When you want to learn something new, what do? You Google it, right? Recruiters do the same thing on LinkedIn. They search for keywords, skills, and experience. When you create content, even once or twice a week, you're basically waving a giant flag that says, "Hey recruiters, I'm here, I'm awesome, and I have exactly what you're looking for." You get to show off your expertise in your own words. You stay top of mind with the people who matter most in your field. And most importantly, you dramatically increase your chances of being seen in those all-important search results. It's like putting a spotlight on your profile instead of waiting in the shadows, hoping someone will notice you. And trust me, in this competitive job market, a little spotlight goes a long way. Okay, so we've established that LinkedIn content is key. But what kind of content should you be creating? Don't worry. You don't need to become a comedian or a motivational speaker overnight. Here are 3 simple yet powerful content types that make recruiters say, "Tell me more." First, expertise posts. Share a short, actionable lesson from your work life. Think about the challenges you've overcome, the projects you've aced, or the unique skills you bring to the table. For example, here's how I handled a tricky stakeholder situation last week as a project manager. Why it works. It shows problem-solving skills, leadership qualities, and the ability to navigate complex situations. Music to a recruiter's ears. Second, behind the scenes or day in the life posts. Give recruiters a peek behind the curtain of your work life. What tools do you use? What projects are you tackling? What does success look like in your world? For example, today I worked on improving our data quality dashboards using SQL and Power BI. Why it works? It gives recruiters a clear picture of your day-to-day responsibilities, the skills you use on the job, and the tangible outcomes you deliver. Third, value-aligned personal stories. Don't be afraid to inject a little personality into your content. Share stories that reveal your values, passions, and what makes you tick. For example, as a military veteran, I've learned that discipline and resilience are skills I bring to every job I take on. Why it works. It builds trust, relatability, and gives recruiters a sense of whether you'd be a good culture fit for their company. Chapter 3. You don't need to be a master storyteller to create engaging LinkedIn content. In fact, I'm going to give you a super simple formula that you can steal and use today. First, the hook. Start with a bold statement or question that grabs attention and makes people want to read more. Think of it like the headline of a news article. It needs to be intriguing. Next, the insight. Here's where you deliver the goods. Share your story, your tip, your perspective, or your aha moment. Keep it concise, clear, and valuable to your audience. Finally, the CTA. End with a call to action. Ask a question to spark conversation, encourage people to share their thoughts, or invite them to connect with you further. Here's an example. Post. Job searching in 2025 isn't about applying, it's about attracting. This week, I created 3 posts that showed my skills, and I had 2 recruiters reach out. Here's what I did. Briefly summarize your 3 post topics. Have you tried posting yet? What's holding you back? See how easy that is? You got a hook, you got valuable insights, and you're inviting engagement. Boom, you're officially a LinkedIn content creator. Chapter 4. Okay, Marie, this all sounds great, but how do I actually make time for this? I hear you, life gets busy. But here's the thing, consistency is key when it comes to LinkedIn. You don't need to be posting every hour of the day. Even small, consistent efforts can make a huge difference. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. Set a weekly schedule. Aim for 1 to 2 posts per week. That's it. Treat it like any other important meeting in your calendar. Keep a note on your phone for post ideas. Brilliant ideas can strike at any moment. Jot them down so you have a running list of inspiration when it's time to create. Recycle content. Turn a post into a comment on someone else's post or repurpose it into a video later on. No need to reinvent the wheel every time. Engage, spend a few minutes each day liking and commenting on posts from your target companies or hiring managers. It's a great way to get on their radar and build relationships. Remember, showing up consistently, even twice a week, builds your brand faster than job boards ever could. You've got this. Outro. You don't need to go viral. You just need to show up with value. When recruiters see that you're engaged, thoughtful, and skilled, they'll want to reach out. So here's your challenge. Post once this week, just once. Share something real from your work, your journey, or your values. Take a chance. Put yourself out there and watch what happens. And hey, tag us if you want feedback or encouragement. We're here to cheer you on every step of the way. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to the Signofied LLC YouTube channel for more job search tips, and drop a comment with your LinkedIn link. Let's build your visibility together.